up, guys? Hello again.
Yes.
Khalid and Ahmed. Welcome back for the episode 2.
Brethren.
And just a quick
Reminder.
Yes. Part 2 for the broadcast was Wabahi. It was 2 parts. Again.
The first one, if you didn't watch it, hadana dawan, go check it now. YouTube kad gelisa. Waxaad arkaysaa the last video.
Yeah, scary.
Waxaan ka sheekeynay, waxyaabo badan oo ay kamid yihiin like TikTok qaadka, like it was crazy.
I know the last was we asked deep questions we didn't know about our community and our country, and
basically if we give some ideas, podcast kan wuxuu ka hadlaa waa facts. وحقيقين maaha, like we don't talk about bullshit, we just talk about facts.
Straight facts.
Yeah, straight facts. We don't care about nobody.
Yeah.
If it's gonna affect you, we don't care about you. We're just gonna spit it out.
No,
really.
It will affect you in a good way.
In a good way, yeah, actually, yeah.
What's one?
Your truth hurts, but after a while, it's gonna be like.
Hurts, but it's beautiful, man.
Truth,
you have to take it.
Yeah.
Yeah. One also bartaan, one squat kisa. Easy. Bad things are always easy,
man.
Bad things.
So yeah, guys, don't take it personal. Just it is what it is.
Yo, you know what I want to add to that?
What do you add?
There's dad waxa jiray xalqadii hore dhageystay. Waxa u badnaadaan ma garanaysaa hable.
Yeah.
Oh, topicii laga hadlay, there was a little bit complaints about them.
Shame.
From them.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I had
I think I was expecting that. I don't know, I can feel it because
complain. So listen to
always
complain about
good and bad.
Our opinions, our topics.
Yeah, basically saying whatever we said about them was not true.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, can I answer?
Yeah.
Everything's true. Okay.
Actually, it was true.
It was true,
but it was not for everyone.
It's I'm. What should I say?
That's not you.
So if you're speaking for all girls, you're very wrong.
Yeah.
Like don't take it personally. Okay?
Yeah.
Because a point of view.
Yeah.
Hey, keep going.
So let me say this. Qofku waxaanu ahayn haddii lagu sheego uu isgaranayaa soo kama xanaaqayo.
Yeah.
Qofku wuxuu naftiisa ka arkay haddii lagu sheego way gubtaa.
Yeah.
Isagoo diidan ayay gubtaa.
Idea is going to be like
marka anigu waxaan dareemay midhmidhkaa iska soo dhex saaray meesha yidhi waxaas waa been saamanihiin dadkii oo dhan bay iska soo qaadeen. So haddaad adigu aad ka duwan tahay dee waad ka duwan tahay haska soo qaadan.
It is what it is.
Basically we was talking there in general. We was talking about everybody. Yeah, we was not singling out anybody. So
guys, let's post everything.
Yes.
First, go subscribe, like, and comment. Like,
it's mean to us.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And you can watch us on Instagram, Ideal Ideas 2021. I'm a YouTube cat, Ideal Ideas. Straight up, man. You can get everything from there.
Yeah,
so don't forget to subscribe and like and comment.
Spam that shit. Yeah,
we need it, because we can't do this for nothing,
Of course.
Like, this is free, bro. Like, you're watching effects for free. Like, you can't get that from nowhere, man.
If you're watching us and supporting us there, there's always better ways to support us. Our podcast visual.
One of the best,
visual.
Actually, it's the best.
Yes, it's best. It's up to you. Now listen to me.
No shade.
Best, no bullshit, no BS.
Listen to me. We have 2 options right now.
Yes.
إن شاء الله نرجستان واحد سمعنا دونا SoundCloud كيو ميلا سوق audios كان our podcast وسوق لنا if you want to listen and if you want to watch you got options right now.
Now you can see us talking real life. So
our expression kind of serious high, take it serious too much. So
guys, let's start.
I want to talk about a lot of things today. Let's نقول افتحنا دليلتنا Somaliyeed adduun kasta meel kasta ay joogaan Axmedow dhibaatooyin badan baan ku arkay marka anigu aan age kan leekaa like 15 or 16 ay yiraahdo ama teenager ka because waxa weeyaan Sheekh Mustafa Yiriba teenager waxa weeyaan wuxuu soo ogaanay who is he wuxuu gaaray certain point finding
self-realizing
intii kale wuxuu jiray development
Yeah.
growing
He was
up.
learning.
He was learning from the world.
So now is the time to protect.
Project so if he goes in the wrong way qofkaas is hard to come back.
Yeah.
aad u soo qabto.
Shit, man.
And these days like teenage wax kasta waa u fududi, everything is simple. Back
Simple.
then we didn't have internet man haysan,
Bro.
cidna caawisa ma jirtin, abayaasheen hadee what is one as we said
They tried, man. They tried like
laakiin
that.
right now aabuhu ma control his son because a lot of things aanu u sheegin oo magaciisa u hagaajin ayuu ka arkaya internetka.
Yeah.
Every false ideas ayuu ka arkaya internetka. Marka what do you think about Ahmed or Mahad?
I know, I think at this generation somehow. Even they're like around what age?
The next
when they hit the puberty.
يعني inagu generation keenu already waxa weeye they're old enough to
they're all adults
now.
Like in those experiments
16, let's just say 16 to 20.
Let's start for 16 to 20.
Let's say 14 to 20. Because ilmaha yar Soomaaliga ma aragtay carruurta dee ma garanaysaa Soomaalidu way ka duwan yihiin run ahaantii marka la sheego carruurta qurba joogta. Waayo ilmaha 14 jirka qurba jooga iyo ilmaha 14 jirka ee dalka ku soo koray maskaxaan iyo waxaad arkaysaa inay yar ma garanaysaa.
Which one is gay?
Yani horta wali ilmaha yar 14 jirka qurbaha jooga wuxuu isku haystaa inuu wali ilma yar yahay. Laakiin halkan
responsibility.
Family is mas'uuliyad baa la saaray.
Bro, I know responsibility when I was 8 I get.
Because
no,
by the
5,
age,
bro.
by the age
5 I know how to dress, man.
Exactly. So by the age of 14 markaan ahaa, I already knew a lot of things about life. Not all of it, but basically they're starting up there. At that time, I could talk to adults. I could like basically state my opinion on whatever they had to say.
Like you know what you're saying.
Exactly.
Yeah, and
like
you're careful.
And waxaan ka hadlayo waxay ahaayeen wax dee qofka weyn uu ila fahmi karo. Laakiin ilmaha yar qurba jooga ka imanaya qurbaha ka imanaya halkan imanaya.
You know why? The thing is waxa weeyaan ilmaha yar imika halkan we don't have that much our age there main has in media and TV. So we know how to interact with people. Like you said imika ilmaha yar wuxuu ku jeedaa all the time media. And you don't know how to
what two different media. I know video okay caadiga entertainment from the television, radio. Irana you go waxa weyn was social media.
Hey, that's bad.
Yeah. Aniga I was social kan waxa ka helnay from the real reality.
Exactly.
Your social kan waxa ka helnay from the internet. So it's different. So xagan internet ka waxaad ka helaysaa all the things. Wax kasta uu ku jira.
And
xagan waxa ku sheegay the hard truth.
I'm sure some
sorry guys but ilaahay markasta ka bartay the hard truth ayaa lagu sheegay markay ahayd markaan yaray how many times ba runta lagu sheegay Khalid
bro
I used to you know
the good way to tell me something was just to tell me straight up. That's why we spitting facts now because we grew up to that shit.
Exactly. So growing up, you know, markaad yar tahay, whatever the adults are doing is more interesting than dadka da'daad waxay sameynayaan. So I don't know about you guys, but like whenever I see my older family members like going out doing some stuff. So waxaan isweydiin jiray how can I hang out with them because I want all of them to see exactly.
It's like role model for you.
I wanted to get in the circle.
I see.
So that's good.
So
you're curious when class واحد كشكنين for grown ups كما.
Exactly because it was more interesting to me than what kids my age was talking about. Exactly.
For this age,
they don't care at all.
They're careless and they impolite. They don't respect elders. That's king win. You need to respect them because.
Do you know why they respect them?
I don't know why.
Problems waxa weeyaan wixii أنا كمان هلا يبلا waxaan kale boys.
Bro,
you
both.
16
Yeah.
Let me
single out.
I take care of my brothers, man. I'll die for my niggas.
But not your niggas are 28 and 27.
No. I'm still supporting the guys, bro.
waxaan ka hadlayaa Axmedo habluhu naga waaweyn marta. Okay? They are mature older. When she's 20, listen to me. When she's 18.
They're curious, man. More.
No, that's kind of right though.
Listen to me, Ahmed. When they are 18,
I know.
they act like they are 25.
Yeah.
But when you 16 years shaqayso,
He's
he acts like
stupid.
he's
He's still
he's
stupid.
12 yeah. So he spends money
Niggas
on
are
wasted things
stupid, it's
garanaysaa
still
wuxuu
there.
doonayaa inuu
Hey.
slow attract
They need help, man.
yeah
Niggas
attention
gonna spam you up. Hey yo, who you calling stupid, nigga? I know some 16-year-olds follow you. So.
Yeah, I know.
maybe
Bro,
I want to be a role model for them
Yeah,
in life
for
because
them,
this is something
bro,
serious.
follow us, man. Like we are the examples, man.
We are the examples.
Yeah,
of
we're
it.
really good, man.
And if you really want to talk about, inshallah, we have Instagram. Can we?
Allah,
Yeah.
just tell us
contact
whatever
us.
you want. Feel free.
Feel free. Say whatever you want. حتى waxa kasta lagu
Don't
qabsado.
even think about it. Just say it.
Yes, just say wallah.
Yeah, just say it.
Our DMs.
Yeah.
So what can I tell you? Like أنا واحد دنيا. So girls markii yihiin. I know they are same position.
Yeah, they go like.
Like
think-
they got their thinking.
That's
Like,
true.
in
I agree with
16
that.
waxay iska dhigeen rag waaweyn yihiin oo they make
You-
own decisions going around.
No.
Think about marriage at
And,
early
yo,
age.
ma hablaha jida mise?
May rag halaya. You
Rag
think about
waa-
age.
He's
I think
attacking
it's
them,
different.
I think they
different.
they
because by the age of 16 markaad adigu ahead, all you thinking about is waxa weeye dee
Games.
games basically.
entertainment.
Entertainment, how to
Yeah,
have fun.
How to have fun, of course.
laakiin inanta 16 jirka dalkeena marka laga hadlo yani she's ready dee in la guursado.
Of course.
Yeah.
waxaan ka hadlayaa.
yani waxaasay already iyadu ka fikiraysaa, waxay ka fikiraysaa. Yeah, so it's different. Adigu laakiin you're not thinking about the serious
Of course,
life choices.
Of
yeah.
course,
Yeah.
Of course, that's why I
When we
said
were
that.
16, bro.
When we were 16,
like,
of course, they.
we all dumb, man.
Like
No, not dumb.
may-
Actually,
No, but
we were
like
good. Like
we wasn't
Eh,
like
may-
ready to
Yeah,
to
yeah,
gain
in
the
qof-
mindset
shit.
of all the
Yeah.
people.
in qof ay ugu oranayaa like marka 16 times wax khayaalka fikiraysid anigu de at least one sana lakin when you do pretend that the age you are not
Yeah,
it will cause you a lot of trouble
of course, man.
because every age have a certain
Oh,
like
that's- yeah.
because experience حتى wuxuu leeyahay age laftigiisu
Yeah,
when you're 25 maybe you're 8 years in experience
yeah. So you're trying to fit in somewhere that you're not. So
Yeah,
it's gonna be like you have to put a lot of effort in there. Yeah, it's
So,
hard, man.
yeah responsibilities a lot of
Yeah. So guys, I want to ask you, like, what are you guys thinking? Like, what do you guys think about divorce?
Oh man.
Imika furniinku kusoo bataniyo waxaad arkaysaa
Aad.
a guy lagu leeyahay he just got married yesterday and after
About a week ago.
yeah
Fuck with us and then we tweaking.
yeah they will say about a week ago gursaday and then
right now
another week ago after a week now waxay noqonaysaa
he's divorced.
divorce
yeah.
that's
You know
why
what?
they
A
pretend
bad decision.
marka kulemi they pretend that their age
Yeah.
ahayn garanaysaa
They don't think.
they wuxuu oranayaa I'm ready mom hooyo abo I'm ready I'm guursanaya
Yeah,
abuhu hooyo she will support 100%
100%.
abuhu wuxuu
Moms.
oranayaa let him experience
Chill out, like
no
relax.
there are two types of abu wuxuu oranayaa
Go.
walaalanta yar two
Try,
wuxuu
yeah.
oranayaa okay go for it
Yeah,
then markuu wax soo arko they will come back to you wuxuu oranayaa dad I'm sorry I'll let you down so I knew
but laakiin at that time already waxaad gashay
you in.
made a huge
you in,
decision. Yeah. So haddaad qofka yani it's kind of hard, bro.
Yo,
You know last episode we touched and
it's
this
for both,
subject
bro.
a little bit.
a little bit
not twin deep.
it's true
But
that's why
laakiin
that's why
yani haddaan dib aan usoo yaro qaado waxa weeye waxyaabaha aan anigu aan u malaynayo inay saameeyaan and I think dadkana daawanaya badankooda way igu raaci doonaan arrintan waxa weeye
Yeah,
dhalinyartu way is influence garayaan imika
yeah. Way seegtaan maya.
way is eegtaan basically so
Sure.
waxa weeye inankuna wuxuu eeganayaa ninka saaxiibkii wuxuu sameynayo inantuna waxay eeganaysaa inad saaxiibteed waxay samayso
okay
so
You can't say Khalido, you can't say it's Faisal basically. You can't say inamada ayaa decisionka sameynaya. Bro, it's for both. Habluhuna they be like
both of them way
Labaduba ha.
sameynayaan ha because
wrong
but
decisions.
it's true
It
true
takes two
well
then.
of course we affect both of them huh
And then you know what I've seen? I've seen 20-year-old girls like Allah, man. More than Hannah. No, I can't say Hannah, but I mean Allah. Or a single moms are. And she's 20 and then she got
Yeah.
baby. Like,
Yeah.
bro,
so waxa
You
weeyaan
need to chill out, you know?
xamaasadda waan ka yaabay xamaasaddan
maskaxdaada on
Before
you're
you
not
do
mature
something,
ahead, if you're not mature
you have to
enough
know everything.
mentally, if you're not mature enough mentally ma geli karaysid hawshan because guurku waxa weeye hawshiisu ma yara
wala ma yara
It's a responsibility,
Soomaalidu
man.
waxay ku maamaadaa guurku marka hore uu sina yariyay marka dambana uu sina ballaadha
wuu ballaaranaya.
so marka hore ma arkaysid marka dusha sare aad ka arkayso waxaad moodaa inay hawshu yartahay but laakiin eventually way ballaartaa hawshu so you have to be mentally ready so habluhu already they're ready waanigan kule so marka hore way nagi lahayn habluhu way diyaar bay u yihiin by the age of 16 17
Yeah.
laakiin
You know why they're ready?
Ah.
Because I think responsibility jaguma qaadaan. Because the man, so they'd be like,
Of course,
I'm ready, you know?
Exactly.
because she knows what she's doing. Whereas
Yeah,
I
her
was
job
supporting
was-
him.
yeah.
I was supporting the
That's her
kitchen.
job, yeah.
I was supporting as a man. I was supporting his career.
but that's
Yeah.
one thing though waxa weeye
The man,
marka la isugu
everyone.
imaado guriga ninkii dee ma garanaysaa xabiibida iyo xayaatada inta hore lagu soo wada hadlayo way isbedelaysaa
That's a
way
story.
isbedelaysaa
Bullshit.
so hadhow marka guriga la isugu imaado waxaa laga hadlayaa serious
Facts.
stuff
Yeah.
yani waa inaad real matter
Real
aad ka wada hadashaan
wakaas.
But laakiin
Like,
intaad soo
no
wada
BS.
sheekeysanayseen wixiinu dee qosol iyo ma garanaysaa waxay ahaayeen
Yeah.
They were talking about relationship ka hadlayeen. Imika waxay ka hadlayn doonaan life, completely.
exactly when it comes to life men are not ready dumarkiina waxa
Walibana
weeye,
age
right now
16 to 20, 20.
exactly
Yes.
Kana
dumarkiina sidii dumarkii hore dee imika tusaale ahaan oo kale our moms dee
Yeah.
ay yeesheen
Ah,
Iyagu
high
waxa weeye-
quality, bro.
high quality women bro
4K and up to 20 wa
yo
420 again.
no
Quality good.
yo it's 180
So
bro.
low. 180?
180 bro I can't say
I thought you said 1080.
no,
180.
no 180 man
Alright,
Waxa
man.
weeye,
Like,
it's
just
like-
facts, man. It is what it
Ah,
is. Y'all
because
guys need to upgrade.
inantii waxaa laga yaabaa in aanay cunto karin karin een hawsha guriga aanay garanayba si loo qabto meel laga
And for all those who don't know how to cook, you should start learning. Like, you should
Also,
start
Allah has
learning now.
waxaa la hadlaysaa both of them so girls will
no
have-
no
Who
no
cook,
horta
man?
eeg ninku
Huh?
Who cooks?
Of course,
Hablada,
ladies,
yeah, so you gotta
eeg
learn.
some of
Man
some
can
of
ride,
the-
wala.
yo some of
For what?
some of the listeners might
This
say
guy.
yo I know Faisal
Egg, listen,
Yo,
egg,
I ain't cooking shit, bro.
for real.
I'm a bro.
Do you know one time you
I know
cook?
my job, man.
Do you know one time
if
you
I'm
cook?
if I'm
Yeah, what?
stressing about life and trying to
How
put
can I cook,
meals
bro?
on the
Yeah.
table يعني I'm playing my role
Yeah.
so
Everybody got
my
role.
significant other have to have
Okay,
all the
okay. This is, we
qualifications.
have a point right now. So you're saying right now,
This guy wanna
I
tell
am
me.
you have your role completely.
Shit, yeah. When
So-
I will cook. tell me
Because
when.
she needs you when you have to cook, because what happens
Tell me the time.
sometimes
Yeah.
when she's pregnant.
Alright.
bro that
Not
time
pregnant.
no يعني markay culays amba ay xanuunsanayso amba ay hawshaasi ay ku soo baxdo
So cook.
what
think that time-
Of course, Sama.
of course you're going to help out
Okay.
haddad if you're not going to help
No,
out
okay.
it's
You know how I'm gonna help
stupid
out?
on your
I'm
part.
just get like.
Because
we
of the-
go
Hajjatu
outside,
Mar-
we get safari, bro.
nah bro I
ain't
know you can
cooking
cook bro
shit, bro.
I know you as
Nah, I don't know, man.
Seriously,
I don't know how to cook.
yo
Yeah, what?
I know you can
you
cook
need to.
Nah, man, I
you
can't.
need to.
bro
man.
if
It's
you
part of
care
Yeah.
if you care about her
Yeah.
you'll help her out
Of course.
adiga culays kuguma aha bro
Hade. Ahmed, hey, listen to me.
Yeah, but
Also, reality.
I don't know how to cook there. So.
Yeah, well,
you
you-
wanna eat until bila milha, bro?
stop
Yo.
that cap bro stop
Shit.
that fucking cap
Well, I'm من هي السكر يا باستا كري بريست. The whole table curry.
So I'm just cook basal kiriya.
No,
Yo.
something they meal for good for her.
Yo,
you
I
can learn from
know.
this, Walal.
yo I know my nigga bro he's capping
Sama,
He knows how to
he's
cook, bro.
This nigga been in China, man, for like 3 years or something.
This
Wallah.
nigga
Yeah.
was
Shukla,
living alone
nigga.
for like 4 years, almost 4
Why
years.
you guys
wallah.
expose me, man?
Bro,
Yeah, well,
nah, you
yeah,
can't escape, bro. Yeah,
But I forgot, I
you
guess.
know this
Maybe,
podcast.
maybe.
When you look up this.
Hey, well, it's all about
Why?
facts up to this podcast.
I
Wallah.
mean,
Even
this
dadka
podcast-
halaya.
I know how to cook, but I ain't cooking shit.
iyo dadka jooga background xataa laftigoodu wax
Yeah.
kasta runta la isku sheegaysaa.
Shit. Stop
Ahmed,
from me.
Ahmed, odd one out, play. Odd one out, okay?
So you guys telling me now, like, I should cook when,
Bro, whenever I can help out, I'm helping out.
like, me too. I'ma help it
Bro,
out, but
that's-
I got my
that's-
ways,
that's
you know.
my
I'ma
significant
get,
other,
I'ma
bro.
get safari,
laakiin
bro.
khalid waxaad idin garanaysaa waxa weeyaan markii iyadu dee yaro xamsato waxay imanayaa her family in garanaysaa his sister baa
Oh, I
caawinaya
forgot.
oo isla joogayaan
You know, she got
iyo
sisters.
shaqeynaya waxaan is dhowr in garanaysaa anaga take care
Actually, that's what happens every time.
you know the reason you know adu ma helaysa iyada la hadlaysanto
Oh, yeah. She knows, man.
She knows because job way bad haystaa shaqo way bad haystaa you know you're putting the table you know
Save my ass.
I know laakiin Ahmedo listen to me
I'm disappointed.
I
in
was
y'all
about,
niggas.
I was about to cook now,
Khalid
nigga.
waxaan soo watay
Especially you, Ahmed.
Yeah, what, man?
Khalid
What happened, man?
Khalid I'm not saying he was his side أنا waxaan leeyahay haddii taas taxta maato still you have to support him kulli ay madmo
Exactly.
ay mo
Yeah.
ina ku jira Ahmed
Ahmed,
But how
no,
I'm gonna support
put
my ways.
yourself, put
Okay.
yourself in her shoes. يعني imagine if you're sick, she's gonna take care of you.
I got a plan.
If she,
Let me tell you.
ولا شيء تقول لي
if Ahmed don't
You gonna
bring
call your
another
family?
single soul that's not supporting supporting by emotion.
Of
everything.
bruh. We in this together, so yeah. But
even
I mean, like
she-
when it comes to cooking,
she needs
she
you.
got sisters, and she got what
She
else?
needs you all the time, Ahmedo. Do you think they
I know,
come
man.
out walal?
Let's get that.
Bro,
that.
yeah.
Yo,
Single day.
my nigga's gonna call his sister or her sister or
Walal kaali caawiya walal.
Or maybe
Xamsan sax.
Safari,
Kali-
bro.
Kali,
Safari. is
Ibrahim
easy.
xanuunsanaysa Kali.
Fuck, call anybody.
Wallahi.
Bro, fast food is
Yeah,
not
yeah,
healthy when you're
man.
sick, bro. You know that, right? Fast
Who's
food is
sick?
not healthy when you're sick.
Who's sick?
I'm talking about a significant other, bro.
We were talking about when she's pregnant. So
ما wax kasta pregnancy sickness
Sickness, yeah, yeah.
Situation.
even haddii ku dhaco injuries ku dhacaan, you know.
Yeah.
And
20 minutes,
So-
right? Yeah. Aye.
haddii ku dhaco
Carry we
injury-
take break.
okay. Haddii injuries ku dhacdo like a lot of things walal.
Yeah, true.
Walal.
So okay.
When I stayed marka yidhi pregnancy kaasa ugu weyn.
So what are you guys suggesting? Like I should cook or help in general? Like what
Yes.
else?
You
Help
have to.
out, bro.
Help in it.
Any ways you
Any
can.
way.
But
Right.
cooking is just one side and helping is another side. So
If
I'm
you-
gonna just
if-
help,
if-
but I don't
if
I
you-
don't cook, man.
Okay. Imagine.
I stopped cooking when I
Imagine
was young.
because every single member of your family, they're living their own lives.
Facts.
Imagine if your sister is busy, your mom is busy, her sister is busy,
Exactly,
her
yeah.
cousins are busy.
Bro, you
And
putting
it's
us
just-
on surviving mood. Like
No,
They
That's
wanted to
like-
tell
it's
Ahmed,
reality,
Ahmed,
everyone is
listen
gone.
to me.
It's a possibility, bro.
Abroad bay joogtaan. Dibada
Yeah.
joogtaan ka shaqee. Nobody's there for you.
nobody's there, right?
Not even
And
your
I
little
can
cousin.
pay until dibedana.
Nah.
Yeah,
So
bro.
I should cook.
You should cook. Bro.
It's trash, man, but I'm a cook. It's trash, bro. I'm telling you,
was-
what blah milk, what blah sugar. I'm just
She
do.
will still eat it and she will say
Yo.
it is good.
Yo, I need that girl,
No,
man.
no. I'm talking to.
Yo, yeah.
I'm talking to Ahmed's future
Yeah,
girl.
I need it. Yeah.
Don't
Girl,
expect for this nigga to cook for you. Don't expect. Alright?
Yeah, like.
dumar ku
But so that again, if it's like, there's no other choice. Yeah, I'm gonna cook, but
Bro,
Looking your
I
height
hope
there,
you
and
like
sometimes-
it.
bro,
sometimes-
and the funny thing is, yo, my G is a good ass cook.
yeah.
But
But
what's the reason then? You don't, you
Bro,
don't-
this nigga
Yeah.
one time, this nigga, we actually
cook eggs, bro.
and this no eggs, a whole chicken
What?
breast, bro. This nigga
That's
wuxuu
easy.
sameeyey,
Yeah.
wuxuu sameeyey daqiiqdii buu soo qaaday, wuxuu sameeyey wrapkii buu sameeyey, wuxuu sameeyey sauce-kii, the garlic sauce.
Yeah, bro,
He
can you
made
imagine?
These things are important, right?
Bro,
now.
this
Wahan-
nigga-
wahan, it's not easy.
This nigga seasoned
Some people
the
say it's
chicken.
easy. This is not easy.
It's
Hey,
not
that
easy,
shit up.
bro.
Bro, we was living life. Habeenkaa, bro.
Yeah,
So
was
this
like
nigga
we having a
can
party,
cook.
man.
okay, that's cool. Okay.
Yeah.
okay.
So I'm just putting it out there. So this nigga can cook. Don't let this nigga fool y'all niggas.
Alright,
Okay.
man. Just fucking
Just ask him, Ahmed.
shit.
Ahmed, haddaad weydiinaysan, like,
Yeah,
you know, Ahmed, first place, you know, first, someone's taking notes. First place, saarataan karaan, sax u karaan, you will cook for me, soma.
she will say that?
Yes. Because you'll be
Hell nah,
just like,
bro. We talking about like
wax kama gelin ba, Ahmed. First question weydiis. Can you cook?
I'll be like I'll pass.
Pass.
I'll pass. Yeah,
You ruin your date. Date ka hada ruin
Yo,
karaan.
let's cut this shit, bro.
yeah.
Let this nigga.
Ahmed just.
Let's go back on track.
Yeah.
Alright, let's
like
go back on track.
Like,
Let's get-
you know, when you helping someone like supportive, you know,
yeah,
and there's a lot of what's going on?
there's a lot as well.
Yeah, just tell. There's a lot of.
Yo, that's our producer, bro.
Yeah. Shout out to Usman. We'll put his Instagram.
Shout out to
His-
Sisman Boss.
He's really like he's doing a good job.
He's
Stop
a
annoying us,
doctor.
man.
He's a
He's
doctor.
behind everything we do now.
Yo, he's a mechanist. He's
Yeah.
a doctor. He's an engineer. He's everything, bro.
You
If
name
if
it, bro.
If you need a
and
doctor,
and,
he'll
and,
help you out.
and that's the point. He's single. Wow.
Hey,
Hey,
shit,
go
that's a wholesome, man.
Yeah, man, that's the most important
That's a
segment of his
wholesome,
life.
man.
6 foot
Single.
with a beard
I think he's not 6
and a
foot.
profession.
Yo.
Yeah.
Nah, he ain't 6 foot, bro. Yeah, I think
Aye,
he's 5'2".
5. Bro, this nigga.
5'2" is short, innit? I don't know
five
about
two-
feet.
That's
Fuck it.
almost that's legally.
5 too short. Fucking
Yo,
Ford, man.
that's-
Come on.
That's,
That's
legally
Out
that's
there.
legally midget. That's legally a
Shit.
midget.
So-
Legally midget, man.
I think we
You're
are
the-
5'6".
Hey,
No,
no,
six.
no,
Oh, yeah,
no
yeah.
disrespect to
No
all the short
disrespect,
people
yeah.
out there.
Yeah, we love ya.
Yeah.
Alright, but
If
it's
you-
just, it's just facts, man.
Bro,
Bro,
few popped into my mind, bro. Just, bro.
yeah,
What is it?
yeah.
You have to share, man.
No names, bro.
You what?
We
A
don't
few
say names
names.
in this
But you
podcast.
have. Oh,
No name,
okay.
No name,
So
no,
guys,
no, cam, no Facebook. No. Yes,
I've
face.
seen
no
one
name,
thing
okay, yeah.
these days.
Yeah.
Why the fuck nigga, like, okay, why the fuck I should like
Hey, what's up?
be easy. maxay
No, well,
raggu
well,
u
speak the
tegi-
truth.
Come
No, no, no,
easier,
no,
bro.
I was like, yeah.
qaar baad ka naxisay imika
Yeah.
yo
Saas uu leeyahay. Uu leeyahay,
Ragga-
waduu sahayaa garanaysaa, you know.
carabku dhexdiisa uga qaninay
Ah, wallah.
raggu
Bahal-
absiga
wallahi.
waxaan arkay
interface
uh, kids, okay, let's just say teenagers, or
Uh-huh.
maybe like we're having teenage kids like 20 and 30.
Uh-huh.
Bro, they all lazy, bro.
yo
It's bad.
lifestyle
Yeah, lifestyle. Yeah,
Yo,
Lifestyle.
They need to
Ahmedow,
make
Yeah.
Ahmedow.
lifestyle, man. Like,
Yes,
really.
our blood horta, our
Yo.
blood, I don't know, it's kind of lazy horta. Waxa weeyaan,
We need sports. We need to
we
work
waxa
out. We need
weeyaan,
to.
like, saas ku
Bruh.
dhalanayaan garanaysaa. Like, dadka kale way naga duwan.
Yeah.
You know, even let's say white people and Asians, they're not like that. I think you've seen Asians.
Yeah.
Asians are the most
Toughest,
hardworking
hardworking.
people.
You know,
Yamanis waa artay.
they are 80 or something. Islam Badarkistan, and she's running every asar, bro, around the hood. You know.
Yeah, lifestyle.
She
yeah.
cares about her health.
Yeah.
You know?
Halkan waxaad arkaysaa, there's a guy or a girl. She's like, okay, she, whatever.
Yeah.
They fat, bro.
You know, there's we all lazy.
Really?
Like we're not that
But
lazy.
you can't be
garanaysaa.
fat, bro. Like
Yeah.
you're
Just work
20
out.
to 30. Take care of yourself before you get fucked up. You know.
Waxa-
It's
waxa
really
weeyaan-
bad.
waxa weeyaan, waxaan ku arkay Muqdisho, you know, some couple, you know, they are wuxuu yidhi, he was a Jameson Grandstar.
Yeah.
Anoo ka shaqaysan jiray xaggaas, you know.
Yeah.
Then he met a girl, wuxuu yidhi, he asked her a question, wuxuu ku yidhi, she was kind of, you know,
Yeah.
so, yeah, she was,
Raborna,
she
so.
was
A little,
weight,
a little doughy.
yeah.
Yeah. Let it do it.
He said to her, you know, you can't be, you know, you can't walk like that with me on the streets.
And
Why?
he was how
was
about him?
buff, bro.
Yo.
And that was his girl.
His girlfriend.
He got the right to say that.
Okuri,
You have to say
let's
that.
go. Come. She said, okay, no problem. I'll go with you. Now she's a slim, thick man.
Hey, shout out to the
Shout out to
Bro,
the couple.
like I'm gonna do
Shout
that
out-
to for my
shout
girl,
out-
man.
shout out
Video,
to the
I'm
support.
gonna do
video
that for my
buto.
girl, man.
He didn't. Brafisi waxa muska day. Waqadu bata video. Yaro boorkad garanaya. Wuxuu dhahay, I have to
Shit.
motivate. I have to motivate people in Grasa
He
because
just did a little bit too much.
that's a little super.
I know,
Yeah,
but he
it's
said, you
because
know,
Hey, look at my
she was
girlfriend's
wearing, you know,
transformation.
we na qabsanayn laakiin, you know, way asturnayd.
But they were. The point was like.
The point was, you know,
He
they
should
were-
have been
yeah, of course,
respectful a bit.
yeah,
but-
I have to motivate this
Yeah.
baby, man. Grasa.
Wow.
Because I want my wife to be perfect in all kinds of way, man.
Yo,
You know?
yo, let me touch on one topic that goes along with
The story, huh?
with the story.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So, you know, waa dhibaato ka taagan midda kale Soomaalida waayo raggu inanta waxay guursanayaan iyadoo dee slim ah dhuuban dhexyar whatever dee wuxuu ku doortay dee
Yeah.
How many dhex yar isaga jira?
So-
Actually,
so no let me
continue,
let me finish
yeah,
bro.
yeah. Go ahead.
So ilmo yar bay dhalaysaa and then Soomaalidu dhaqan waxay leeyihiin marka magaranaysaa when a girl has her first baby waxa weeye waa la buulayaa markay dhakhtarka isaa uga soo baxda waxaa loo soo dhigayaa whatever she needs
Of course.
muqmadii
Uh,
whatever
يعني
نفقة
get fat.
Just to get herself back. She been through a lot.
And
Of course.
that-
45 days
yo,
bay qaataan.
and
Yeah.
Afartan.
exactly
Fartanash, yeah.
so on top of the weight that comes with pregnancy she's gaining extra weight.
But 40 days,
And-
okay. But after that, she can start.
Yo,
Of course.
Yo, you
They
think
Go
they
back
can
to her
start-
life, yeah.
Yo,
Ah.
you think the weight a lagu gain gareeyo 1 month you can lose it that way because metabolism
It depends.
kala
Yeah.
duwan yahay.
Yeah, it depends.
Yeah. So I know majority markan ka hadalno dumarka Soomaalida waxaad arkaysaa qofkii oo isbedelay completely.
Hey man.
And the nigga acts like ma garanaysaa inuu qofkan
The problem,
wuu
waxaweyaan,
isbedelaya
Khalid May.
ninka wajigiisa dabciisa
you know why?
everything.
The problem ma had after marriage. Waxaweyaan, before of can his lifestyle. Lifestyle, if it was okay before that,
Then
and then
y-
later it would be
ah.
still okay.
Of course, yana
So-
isbedelid ba.
First, like, yeah, seedahay markii
Yeah.
hore inuu kusudahay inad tusahay.
Yeah, but like
That's
that's
the
one thing.
thing.
Raggii way la talinayaan dumarkii waliba imika generation kan dambe maad garanaysaa
They both,
odhanayaan,
man,
"Ha,
they both."
they'll tell them like let's go work out anaa kaa bixinaya yani just work out lose some yani it's just like Faisal said.
Yeah.
So but like hin dumarkii majority of them will not have the motivation to work out.
Raggii baa xitaa motivate garin lahaa. Some of them
Yeah.
are like
Now,
they need help
Like
themselves.
imagine if
Uh-huh.
you're motivating her basically.
Let's just say you were
And-
fit,
no,
you
no,
were
no,
gay.
you're not even fit. You're just an
But
alright
you
guy.
saying like, let's go together.
Let's go together basically.
that's cool,
I'm
yeah.
gonna work out, you can work out, but
That's
like,
good, man.
imagine
We need more
most
of
of
these
them
people.
most of them doesn't have it in them to work out. The first thing they will say is
So workout guys, let's just say
you go try that.
no.
Did
But
you
the
love-
thing,
did you marry me for my body or just what was the reason يعني
no.
whatever shape and size I come in you have
You
to
have
be
to love
okay
me.
with it
Ah,
yeah
ah.
so that's the wrong mentality
Yeah.
this person cares about your health basically first of all and then second
Yes,
you have to maintain yourself
Still, yeah.
because eventually as time goes that's your health that you're playing with because
Yeah,
the more kids
like
you have
don't
the
do
more
it for
children,
him, just do it for yourself.
exactly the
Yeah.
more children you have the more your body will get weaker
Yeah.
you know
of course dadka gymka kale waxay moodayaan just to be physically and hagaajino
Bro.
Exactly.
it's healthy waxan
exactly
Hell,
You know,
it's a
if you-
lifestyle.
yeah you will live longer inshallah ilahay nafta ugu daya
Exactly.
you will live longer because waxan waa biology
exactly
waxay ku xidhan waxan waa cells
Yeah.
let's start from cells so
So guys,
working out is very
pause. Please, Faisal. Can I say yo, just tell them.
yo we can't stress this enough
Yeah.
like comment
Like, comment, subscribe,
subscribe
and
because every single little thing helps
Yeah.
helps us
yeah.
keeps
Yeah,
us
everything
motivated to
Yeah.
produce more episodes for y'all guys
And guys, follow us on Instagram. Ideal/ideas 2021.
we'll put
And
it right there
Yeah, we'll put it
maybe
there.
somewhere around
And
yeah.
YouTube, just
you will see us
you guys, hit the like, comment, like, tell us what we have to talk about next episode.
you can
Yeah.
give us you can
spam
ideas,
our
yeah.
DMs spam our DMs so hard
And yeah, I think
give us some interesting topics we can talk about
yeah,
whatever topic y'all
we'll
need.
appreciate it really. And yeah, we're gonna have more guests soon, so bear with us.
stay tuned inshallah stay tuned
Yes, sir. Now we're gonna take a break for a while, like I don't know, let's just see.
yeah, so
5 minutes
Yeah, let's see.
like a couple of
Aight.
5 minutes we'll be back
Yes,
inshallah.
sir. Yeah, guys. So we're back, and then we want to make sure first. Do you guys subscribe to the channel?
Ay,
Do
That's a-
you?
hold
Ask
on
yourself.
are you subscribed yeah I'm talking
Adiga,
to you
yes.
right there yeah that nigga
Ka-
that's,
su'aalka
that's
xidhan cad.
looking at us
Yes.
you're
Ama
gonna
akhtar buu xidhay malaha.
may
It's black.
may
Yeah.
kasarta jiifaan la hadlaya bilaa sharbaadada
Yes.
I'm
Whoever.
talking to you
Subscribe,
Subscribe.
comment, like,
Yeah.
and then we'll continue.
yes sir
Inshallah. We won't wait. We're gonna continue.
Yeah.
We're
Anyway,
just
yeah.
joking.
Yeah.
We were talking about dhalinyaranteenna iyo caqabadaha haysta sama.
Yeah.
I was wanted to ask ku daraba
I know.
dhalinyarteen karayna waxaad moodaa inay depression ku jiraan.
Bro, they're young, and then they're talking about this kind of shit. Depression,
No.
searching for happiness and
Iyo
bullshit.
xataa marka aragto si kala noqonaysa Axmed ma aan ismaarin inaan isweydiin because marka aragtid
Yeah.
xataa
Yeah.
waxa mu arag from life
Yeah.
nolosha waxba kuma arag and he always feels that like
Yeah.
how waa caqabadii ugu dambeysay.
Yeah. And
So-
some feel they smart enough to finesse people.
Wow,
Yeah, which is really bad, you know.
that's true. That's
Necessary.
absolutely true.
Yeah.
So
yeah
markaan arko wallahi I feel bad for them. Waxaasna waxa ka dambeeya wax kala maade oo iska garanay parents where
Yeah.
everything.
how
And you know what is
can
depression,
you, can you
Khalid?
elaborate on that
Yeah,
I
you know
will-
depression. It's not like how to say. It's not like it's not something real. It's like you got a problem and you don't know how to solve it.
oh
So,
That's
Like
the
figure out,
very
solve the
good.
problem.
Then you'll be good.
It's good. And try to even
but it ain't
try.
that easy though because
Yeah, it ain't that
mental
easy.
health is a serious stuff bro
Yeah, but the thing is, try to solve the problem and just go with it. Simple. Life is not
you know
easy.
what I would say
Anyway,
if you
mm.
can't solve it get some help you have trusted people you have family
yeah,
members you have
yeah,
friends
yeah.
go to someone you
You know,
trust
our
That's
parents
why-
have to, they struggle
That's why
a
I say I
lot.
blame the
They
parents.
struggle a lot.
yeah
They don't give up, man.
Khalid, that's why I said I blame the parents. I will elaborate.
Yeah.
Garanaysaa.
okay
Waxaa la yidhi, the moral development of a child always depends on the adult who raises them, okay?
Yeah.
Inay
Yeah.
adult ha noqdo.
Yeah.
So childku depression kuma jirayo waxaa weeyaan the way he usoo kora weeyaan, okay? He won't
Yeah.
feel that. Haddana
Yeah.
si wanaagsan usoo korin, oo happiness kusoo korin, oo kalgacayl kusoo korin, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
The reason uu depression u noqoyo waxa weeyaan he saw worse. He
Yeah.
saw a lot of worse things. Laakiin aan waxa kama hadlay malayaniga my girlfriend left me or something like that or I can't do
Yeah.
that.
reasons
That is not depression I want. There are some
Yes.
deep depressions, man.
Yeah.
So wasu khali sheego waxa weeyaan always get help because you are helpless.
Yeah.
You're still a child.
Still child, you got everybody around you, you got, you know, so
You know
Yeah,
stop bullshit and complaining about life.
waxa ka
and
fikirtaa
money.
mi waxa ka saar ka fikir horta he got health, he got a house, adu waxaas ma haysto.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
yo
Just cool down, man.
and one more thing I'm gonna have to slide this in real quick depressionka qofka keena waayo qofka biyana waayo
Okay.
ilaahay
Yes.
ilaahay baa waxaan oo dhan ka saraya ilaahay baa farxad ku siiya ilaahay baa kaa qaada
Yeah.
so haddii lagula taliyo inay ilaahay u noqdaan mar walba
Yeah.
way tukadaan because parentsku waan
Bro.
garanayaayo one thing they will say to you markaad ku tiraahdo hooyo dhibaatadana ay haysata aabo kana ay haysta
Yeah.
first thing ay koranayaan waxa weeye salaad tuko
That's the
ilaahay
cue,
bari
man.
yeah because dadku they don't take this serious enough
Really.
but
That's the
laakiin
cue, man.
haddii aad ilaahay aad u
5
dhibato
times.
ra'yigaaga oo dhan
Pray 5 times a day.
And-
More time.
I'm telling you the facts.
and I know
Pray
for
5 times a
and I
day.
know for a fact in caruurtu markay da'daa leeyahay 16 jirka
Yeah.
kule waa nin weyne diinta islaamka waxaa loo yaqaanaa ninku
Ah, no,
markuu
no, no.
15 gaadho is an adult
Yeah.
saxaabadu by the age of 15 ilmaha yar markuu gaadho inanku
Bro.
dagaalka jihaadku diyaar buu
First
ahaa
row. Safka
inuu
hore.
guursado diyaar buu ahaa
No joke.
everything
There's a lot of people safka dama ku jirto na.
so inkastoo
Hey,
waqtigaa aan la
I wish I
joogin
was this.
inkastoo waqtigaa aan la joogin laakiin
Wallahi.
right now
Tough times, tough
waxa
times,
weeye
bro.
haddaad ilaahay aad ku xidhan tahay waad heli
You
kartaa.
good. You good for
Wallahi,
life.
nothing will stop you.
For life, you good.
Nothing will stop you.
exactly
Wallahi.
exactly
Only
midda
God
kale
will continue,
midda
only
kale
God will
Yeah.
continue.
waxaa jira dad they might take like your depression they won't take it serious dadka qaar markaad u sheegto because not everyone is your friend kala baro dadka
Mm.
garo qofka saaxiibka dhabta ee ku
Analyze
caawinaya.
and
Wallahi, hi, that's true.
garo qofka
and-
dhab kuwa caawinaya because qof maalaacani hadda tagto waxa laga yaabaa inuu werwer kugu daro uu ka soo qaado inaad waxa iyo waxaad ka fikirayso aanay wax weyn ahayn because isaga
Yeah.
agtiisa wax weyn kama aha
Yeah.
amba waxaa laga yaabaa in dee wax weyn aanu arkayno adiga dee xaaladaada u
Bro,
arkayno
or the
taas.
thing, okay, nobody can feel you. It's just you.
Nobody. But
So
like you
they
can,
can
you
try.
can express.
You can try.
express
Yeah.
yourself.
If you express,
If you
haddii ay ku caawinayaan asxaabtana dee you can help.
and you know, not even your haddaad xitaa saaxiibka aadan u sheegi karin, you know, and hadaadan saaxiibka xitaa aadan u sheegi karin. And can we keep rolling?
Yeah, it's okay. Let's go.
It's all good. It's a bit.
Yeah, no.
Is that right?
Hey,
Or like,
We can fix it, man.
let's fix it real quick. bro.
Okay.
Let me fix it real quick. So you can fix it.
Let it roll.
Yeah. So while my bro is handling that real quick. So first of all, what was I saying?
this is life challenge, okay? If you can handle that shit, you will never handle anything in your life, wallah.
So what I was saying was, haddii ma garanaysaa, if you can't trust your friends with your problems, tell the next person that's close to you, a family member, because I know for a fact each and every one of us have a family member that they're close to.
True.
And qofkaasina qofka waad garan karaysaa inuu ku fahmi karo. So ha isku eegin, sheeg xaaladaada sida lagu hayo, waxaad dareemayso, sidaad uga bixi lahayd. Mid kale jirta. Talo waa lagu sheegi karaa, waa lagula talin karaa, laakiin it's up to you inaad qaadato. Waayo dadka badankoodu waxa weeye deeroon talada waad siinaysaa, laakiin dadka qaata talada ayaa
aad yariin.
waayo bay koranayaan they just
dhegta ka maqal dhegta kala ka saar.
exactly so that's the problem. talada haddaad qaadato wax ka xumaanaya ma jiro in talada wanaagsan qaado talada xunaan qaado.
Yeah, always.
Ni horta laakiin xaqala xabadna aan ku raaciyo
Yeah.
the only friends in your life are your family grands, especially your brothers. If you have a lot of brothers, mashallah. Say mashallah horta.
And
Mashallah.
Because
if it's a girl, sisters. Or
Ah,
whatever,
laba-
siblings,
wallahi,
bro.
may-
Siblings, yeah. in
Ha.
general.
Let's just say siblings.
siblings
in
horta.
general.
Because habluna usu wanaagsan bay ku caawin ka weyn wallahi.
Yes.
Brothersna waxa weeyaan they will be there for you no matter what, and they're your friends.
MashaAllah, مخمخ
Yeah. Mashallah to all the brothers and sisters
So-
out there.
Yeah.
asxaabta markay
Everybody.
gaadhaan asxaabta markay wax isnacaan wirsha badan waxa keena laftigiisu waa maxaa weeyaan markii ay gaadhaan a very mesh mumkin imaado something because ulkumi soo korayn high schoolku waa okay no problem.
Yeah,
they will have
yeah.
fun
Yeah.
on talk about very mesh imaado waxa weeyaan markuu meesha lacag timaado ma shaqo ama something
Yeah.
Exactly.
waa la isqabsanaya you know,
Yeah.
because qofka soo waxa soo baxaya his
Oh,
true personality
Yo, that's the hardest transition.
they
bad, man.
your best friend like 15 years you and your best friend.
Yeah.
I know how I am from day one household. Like him, everyone has a difference. Okay.
Like
Nobody will-
everyone
nobody
is
will
going
let you
through
take
something.
15,000 so you do nothing.
Yeah.
Nobody will let you. Grandson.
Shit.
So keep your family and friends out separate. Okay, and friends now how you have to
Be
because
careful.
fake friends are everywhere, man. You know, so kala saar ma koro laha. You know,
That
because
is
the real ones,
facts.
the real ones will tell you the truth, and the
And-
fake ones will tell you what do you want.
Yeah,
Okay,
Mm.
simple as that, man. What's up? What were you saying?
yeah. So that's you basically said it all. So
Yeah,
it's
just
yeah.
be careful
kala garo asxaabtaada.
and yeah,
Yeah.
be careful and try to see like scheme before you choose like who to
Mid
trust and who not to trust.
baan ku daraya waxaa la leeyahay, if you are the smartest man, the smartest person yidhahdo in the room, garanaysaa, in a room, you on the wrong room axmedo khaalido
Exactly.
Yeah.
sababtoo always dadka ka sareeya dad yani isku ken yani
Exactly.
la soco dadka adiga
Exactly. Qof
if
wax
you-
kugu soo kordhin kara.
yes
Yeah.
okay.
Someone who can help you out grow.
Yes, man. Close, yes, because
Exactly.
the CEO of magaciisa Alibaba
Yeah.
waxa lagu dhahay
He was he
Bro, listen.
I think you heard his story
Yeah,
somehow.
the thing-
So ku noqday this I think you heard this. Wuxuu yiri I only find people who good at the things. Inta bari lahaa.
Yeah,
Dad baa garanay already. You know.
and just
Well, baran karasta
find
like
them-
he's always better. Okay, come
Yeah.
photography,
yeah.
you know, editing, you know, anything else, any of these skills that easy. And so I always bring people together, hold them tight to create something better, you know. So I
And
think you
what
heard a
what I
lot.
was saying waxa weeyaan, like let everybody like first see yourself like what you're good at. Then when you're good at something, just try to be good at that thing better and
Be
better
good,
and better.
okay.
be the best.
Best of what you're good
Yeah.
at. Simple.
Simple,
And then
wallah.
you know they see like they say, all right, this guy's smart, this guy's smart. He's not smart. He's just
He's
doing
smart.
what he's good at.
He's smart in his way.
Yeah.
In his way.
Everybody's really got something,
Yeah.
bro. You can't
Of course,
imagine
talent play.
if he knows himself, bro.
Yeah.
That one is he's gonna be the best.
Ask yourself.
So ask
all the
yourself,
time, all the time, Allah.
What am I good at? What I can do, and how can I
help?
keep growing from there?
And markay shaqada timaado waayo dhalinyartu markay xilligaa la gaadho jaamacadaha laga baxo waa xilliga warwarka ugu badan uu qabto.
Yes.
Allah, man,
Kolley
Allah.
each one of us
Allah.
soo dareemay kolley
I know,
marxaladan.
I know.
Bro,
Allah.
So anigu waxaan
Hustle is real.
haddaan la talin lahaa dhalinyarta because anigu waxaan eegaya anigu sidaan de waxaanaan uga dhex baxay
Yeah,
because anigu waan soo maray marxaladan
yeah,
marxalada adagna way ahayd and the first thing you have to do is haddaad shaqo heli karto that's a plus
That's good.
laakiin as we know there is hard to find a job there like,
Even if it's easy,
Okay.
some people don't want to work.
exactly
They just
mid
wanna
mid
create
kale
something.
kale jirta you know so haddii aad shaqo hesho and you love working for halkaad joogdo shaqadaada aad ku qanacsanta
good.
if you're happy with your job
You good?
yani you good yani
Yeah.
be the best
You good
at
to
it.
go?
laakiin if you're not satisfied
Leave it.
leave try to
Don't
try
kill
to know
yourself
try
in there.
exactly try to
Yeah.
know what you're good at and then do that
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to say no. You know,
Yo,
you can say no.
I
This is who you are.
qof walba oo maanta qof walba oo nooloo socda waxa weeye waxbuu ku wanaagsan yahay qof lo odhan karo qofkaasi
Bro,
waxba kuma wanaagsan ma jiro.
Everyone is good at something.
everyone is good at something basically
Yeah.
so
That's
Everyone.
some
so know what you're good at and
Know your
do
worth.
that ha
Know
Do
your
that.
worth.
Keep doing that.
keep doing that until
Simple.
you're the best at it
Oh,
Simple. Yeah.
and waxa weeye maanta waxaa jira shaqadu markay timaado 9 hab oo kala duwan oo loo shaqaysan karo oodan qof u shaqaynayn oodan cidna u baahnayn you can be your own boss amba noqo
Ah, that's the
business
best.
amba noqo even yo I know some youngsters some dhalinyar oo yani they don't work for nobody YouTube bay samaysteen they're working over there qaar waxaa jira intay
And we're not saying
so-
go for YouTube. Like
no,
find what
that's,
you're good at.
that's like talking in general
in
basically.
general, yeah.
qaar waxaa jira inamo intay isbaraan graphic designka iyagu ma garanaysaa
Yeah,
inamo
like-
waxaa jira
self-study.
Like self-study or whatever, or go
Exactly,
study in
because
school, but just
yani
find what you're good at.
skill bay bartaan skillkaasi ku wanaagsanaan and they make something out of it
Yeah.
so dad photography intay kamarada bartaan sida sawirada loo qaado photographiga ay shaqadoodu tahay bayn ma
Man,
garanaysaa
that's good.
in like
Marka when you become success, you know, at least at the heshit and
Yeah,
career,
yeah.
you know, asla waxaad ku noqonaysaa success.
yeah
Markaas kala garanaysaa dadka fake dadka kale
Yeah.
because people support you or people don't. You know.
People don't.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, I want to ask you, both of you, like, I'm gonna
Okay.
kuchira kolebe. and waxaan ii sheegtaan maanta waxa la yidhi let's just say are you ready to like
Pretty well.
ready to
for
get
what?
like get life there you got me so inan baad dooranaysa like there's a millions of girls out the world like
Okay.
let's just say like let's
Okay. Okay.
just it's 7 billion or what
8
8 billion.
right now.
so how many
So,
are there? Let's just say 5 of them
5
5 billion is girl and you choosing one
inkastoo waxa la yidhi
bro,
dumarka
it's-
badan
it's hard,
dumarka
man.
badan suu qof kasta suu easy u helo his wife
so aniga 5 ka dhigay
right
iyaga
now
Ah.
right
2
now
for
ha
4
dhalashada dumarku waxa weeye rateka birthka dumarka ayaa kaga badan
yes
yeah
yeah
there's
Some-
more
some.
so yeah you got how many options 5 billion options
Okay.
right yeah 5 billion options
Five.
and you want to choose one
ay
so what
maxaad ku
would
dooran
you-
lahayd
yeah
basically
maxaa ku dooran lahayd
Faisal
out
go
of 5
first.
billion
Oh, should I go first?
You
I
go
already
first.
anigu
Start with
doortay ba anigu
left
Okay, well done. So
Oh,
you only
but-
have
anigu
you,
I
you,
already had
one
you only taken, but
Go.
what's the reason ku doortay?
one
Check.
thing
You mean one thing?
yeah like
One
name
thing.
one thing
That's hard. Kind of hard.
it's not hard bro it's easy
Can I say
No.
2 things?
now one
See, I
like
tell
the
you.
first
I,
thing.
Bro, only one thing kuma dooran kartid qof. There's combination
no
of
no
things.
but
that's
waxaan
what-
ku leeyahay
the
dee,
major thing.
Mukule detail it.
The biggest thing.
like this one is like bro you put your hands down
Magad artay ha. Okay,
Yeah, this
okay.
one.
That's
Only
how
this
you
one.
express. Okay.
it's hard
Well, I take your time.
let me
take your
think.
time or we can
No. It's simple because there are many things
share
that made me choose this person. But like him, if I have to decide one thing,
yeah one only like this is the major thing
you know, the into is a part of it. But like in the biggest thing,
yeah
waxa weeye a good heart. يعني
honest
a
Pure.
beautiful heart, a honest, beautiful heart.
yeah
Like I'm talking about like no black and white.
like
No, I'm
Gray.
no. Black and white. So basically, you'll see a straight
everything clear.
everything.
Transparent.
There's no in
let's
between.
just say
There's no
transparent
gray.
like water
There's no gray lines basically.
Yeah.
So يعني pure heart.
pure heart man that's
What-
good
Yes.
that's good
I can't. I don't seek us.
right yeah just
But
give
like
us the
in
whole
the-
bunch
The best heart, there is. I could find.
Faisal,
I
you was
think
thinking I guess
I think it was
no you was
hard.
thinking a lot Khalid was you take your time up to your
Yo.
Adi. Spit
I
it
know-
out
I
spit
know
it
it's
out you
hard,
take
bro.
your time up to
What should I do?
But like
Yeah.
you're still searching. But like in maxaad ku dooran lahayd but for you, since you don't have like
personally
I always, especially with
What's the
media, all the
biggest
time.
thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So waxaan ku dooran lahaa waxa weeyaan horta inaan ilbaxa. Okay. Was for
I thought he was gonna say
Yeah.
It's like,
What do you expect to be?
I don't know when you put your hands like
No,
this.
I want. Hey, listen to me. Listen
Thought
to
you
me.
gonna say
I'm not
thick,
playing
I was
around.
like-
I just want simple thing. I just want an event. Because I'm a very complicated person. Okay.
البحنمو.
aniga yani if I
Said it, man.
No,
Ay, wala.
no qalbi wanaagsan, no teen.
that's why
Oh.
what is me
I got it bahna what you mean like
hey hello we are sharing something but I'm sharing some
Fucking lit,
details
man.
man I'm going deep because of course well who's gonna bury you
understandable innit?
understandable because I'm very complicated person
That's
in this room right
Wow.
now
That's,
Yeah.
When it comes to romantic
that's
stuff.
understanding. Yeah.
yeah
That's-
Understandable.
So you want understanding person.
Understandable.
understand
Kulli
this
fahmi kara sheekada.
Fahmi.
Sure, okay, if I mention something the grants already
If you're out of the box, she's out of the box.
she has bucks too yes
Yeah.
exactly man.
If you run out of the box, she's running.
She's running too with me man if I say hi listen she's not hard to get but I'm
Bro.
sure that she's there I know wallah she's there man of course she's
It's
there.
a 5 billion, bro. 5 billion options.
So
What do you
how
expect?
weeyaan
It's
qalu
crazy.
you know of course qof kasta wuu jeclaanaya wax jeclan garanaysa
Yeah.
hearted honest loves you so much of course
That's
but
a whole bunch. That's
my ways my,
fucking good box.
the way I love my wives is very imaginate grandson so it's complex you know so waxa leeyahay if she doesn't get me like what say go tell like come on man
Yeah.
I hate
Understandable.
understandable so
And-
so koba
So cool, yeah.
Wax kula fahantay.
I found said they like, you know, like we said, running out of the box.
yes
Yeah.
Now
So-
back to you.
So for me,
Yeah.
man, it's just simple, man.
what's up
It's not hard. Like just,
respect
yeah,
I knew
yeah, man. Like, yeah.
لكن respect
But like-
بالله أحمد
like
what kind of respect
Love comes with respect. Though.
Which one comes first?
we talk about a lot
Which one
That's-
comes first?
that's
Love.
Last episode. Yeah.
respect
Respect comes first.
Yeah, respect comes.
Yeah, then love
That's
comes.
true.
Ah.
That's
Yeah.
true. Respect.
So
Yeah, it's simple. Just
she just respects you. خلاص
respect
ما.
my word, and we good for life.
If she respects you, she loves you.
Yeah.
It's
really,
because
like,
she,
simple.
you know, she saw you who you
Respect my
are.
word. When I
don't
say
answer this guy's
something, just
worth,
me,
you
I
know.
mean it. You know, don't
Ahmed,
cross over.
let me ask you something. What do you do at the first dates?
For
First dates.
me,
If you find that you're one.
try to see the
محاد
vibe.
سمنسا
The
محاد
vibe.
سمنسا يعني.
I'll check the vibe.
You check the vibe.
Yeah, like how is this person? Like, you know, I let myself in all the way and just be myself. Then I see the person, and if she's
So-
herself, it's
so-
good. And then
Which date will figure out she's the one? Which date?
nah, you can't tell the first day.
I know. That's why I said
Takes
which
time,
date. That's because some people marry at the first date in Granza.
That's the problem. That's why we was talking about divorce and
That's
shit.
the problem with divorce.
Bro, think
Yeah,
twice,
that's-
3, 4, 5, 6.
So امسكوا قاصة.
Me, it depends.
It
Depends on the person.
It
yeah.
depends on
Like,
the person. So like, can you guess?
some people are just honest.
'Cause,
man.
you
Like,
know,
like
all
you
girls-
just you be like, bro, this.
know.
Yeah, yeah. And some people, it might take years because they tryna, you know, who knows, man. But it depends. I can't say specific time.
Okay, that's true.
Yeah. I can't say.
When you figure out she's the one,
How many?
what was the
dates?
time? When was the time? No shake.
Yeah,
Let's treat-
you got
When I
experience.
figure it out,
Yeah.
See, I love her. You know, I think she's the one. I have to, you know, act serious, get my shit together. You know,
Straight up.
straight up. When would you say that? Como satri.
I
know, I think you want a specific date?
I think you can't tell.
You can't say.
never tell
I'm
anything.
like waxaan ku xisaabiye, you know, dates. And I say blah, blah.
Let me say
Lakin
this. Let me say this.
waqti ma sheeg, ha.
Yo, let me say this. The time.
Yeah, we listening.
Hey, all ears on me, bro.
Yeah.
So basically,
If it's the supervisor wants your answer.
Yes, we need to take notes.
say less, bro.
Where's my bed?
So-
nigga?
So the first time was, out the bat, she did some huge thing for me that I never expected any person would do. But I questioned that at first
Like,
because I didn't believe that was an act that's natural to her. That's from the heart.
and you don't have to say the thing, but
I'm not gonna say the
yeah,
thing. Yeah, that's
It's okay.
personal.
Of course,
Yeah.
okay.
So and then I was like, hold on,
is this for real?
is this for real? Or is this like for fake? Basically,
Yeah, guys, surprise us.
Yeah. So and then I asked
Then
her.
we got you.
Yeah, basically I said, "Are you for real? Why would you do this for me? And
Like, you don't have to.
you don't know me that long to do this huge thing for me."
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, and then she
Yeah,
said,
we like surprises.
do I have to have a reason to do this for you? And then at that point,
Oh, she said, like, do I need a reason?
do I need a reason to
Yeah.
do this for you? But I knew the reason was because she cared about me
Yeah.
to the point
What?
that she
Uh-huh.
would do a huge thing for me.
Mhm.
So we was basically at the stage of I knew her name, I knew her family, and I knew her family's
Like, you know
names.
her,
I
like,
knew her to
person,
yeah,
like, not too much, but
exactly. And then I didn't even know it just clicked.
boom, you
I was
in.
like, yeah, I was
All
in
the way.
all
Wallahi,
the way.
والله
Okay.
Khalid,
I was
been
in
ma
all the way.
qof kasta wuu
It's a
ogaanaya.
surprise.
Yeah, qof kasta wuu
Surprises.
feel that way.
That's what
Ah.
that's what I will say. When you feel that shit, when you feel you care about someone so deeply, it will be like an awakening. Like, what the
Shit,
yo,
like-
is this for real? What am I feeling like?
Yeah. What is happening to me?
Exactly.
What the
Everything you do, she will be right there. Every plan you make, she's right there. And when I say right there, I'm talking about mentally.
Yeah, like,
Because you
No
will
fake stuff.
build your empire around your family, and she will be included in that. You will consider whatever you're doing, she will be a part of it. So if that thing will affect her, you'll do something about it.
Yes,
You might-
sir.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. So it was a huge moment.
That's beautiful.
yeah. So,
ما شاء الله تابو.
yeah, oh, yo.
ما شاء الله مخمخ ما
Yeah.
Mashallah for myself.
So
Yeah.
I
I
know what you're I think I didn't
For
answer.
the viewers out there, say
Say
mashallah.
say
bro.
mashallah.
It doesn't take much.
ما شاء الله مخمخ ما
It doesn't
Yeah.
take much.
It doesn't take much.
No
So,
evil
yeah.
eye, no evil eye, no hate.
No hate, no bullshit.
Yeah, no
Oh,
bullshit.
bullshit.
Yeah, everything's
The
there
reason,
outside.
let me answer.
I want to ask you first.
Yeah, what's up? The same question, Sama.
Nah, you didn't answer.
I didn't answer.
Alright, cool.
I want to,
Let's
you
go,
know.
man, let's go.
But like y'all can't answer that because you didn't find
Well, I'll
the
tell
one.
you, listen,
Yo,
let
that's
me- let
true.
me express ourselves.
Bro.
Yeah, yo.
You
You
gotta
don't have-
express an imaginary scenario.
No, you can't.
Well,
Sorry, man. You can't. listen.
I think I have a
another
wife.
question.
Khalid, right now, I think I have a wife.
My guy, I have another question. Let me ask you this
Yeah,
question.
well, hey.
Here's the thing.
Yeah.
Would you date a girl that is famous? Why? In an aanu.
Can I start?
Let
Let me start, bro.
He
Please.
volunteered.
Please, bro, let me start. Please,
Hello, you
bro.
volunteer.
It's short.
Please.
I know it's short.
Hey, so he.
Fuck no.
Told you, man. It's short, man. It's short.
Hell
Yeah.
no, bro.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm with this guy.
No.
And if you want me to explain, I can.
When you say how famous, what are you talking about?
She's an. Simple.
Wherever you go, people.
Well,
know
hi,
her.
well, you check.
She's
Wherever,
an.
yo,
An.
first of all,
An.
wherever you go, people know her.
Okay, the an. Let's just
Your
say there's
circle
two types
knows
of
her.
an.
Your
Aha.
circle knows her.
One is
Your
bad, one
friends
is good.
knows her. Your social media people know her. Everybody
Just
knows
know her, Sama.
No. She's an means like she do her stuff. She's good. Okay, we're not saying she's a bad girl. She's a good girl.
Sama.
Yeah, but she's just famous.
her. Nah,
Simple.
everybody know her, and I'm sure for
Yeah,
a
that's
fact,
they know her. Of course, that she's famous. But
if
she's good. She's doing good.
1,000. No.
Millions.
Bro.
Yo, should we put example here?
Yes,
Cool.
of course, of course.
Do you have an
Let's
example?
do examples, my
Yeah,
nigga.
cool.
I really like her.
عادي والله no shake, no
Yo,
shake.
don't say no names.
No,
bro.
hi, she's
names.
no,
She's a celebrity والله.
Yeah,
Everyone knows her, man.
she's a mom.
Ah.
And Tara makeup custom is she looks good, man.
hablaha garanay de shay وش والله. Make
Yo,
it sound.
I'm gonna mess this up, bro.
But-
You mean blue makeup?
Nah, hey. Fuck you. Okay.
Pause, nigga. No homo. Stupid. Pause.
Blue makeup waxa waa shirkadana samaysa makeup khaysan.
Yeah.
Yo, good dodge, bro.
Yeah, this girl was.
Yo, good
Yeah,
dodge.
got me fired. I was sweating. Shit.
Listen,
So what
listen,
was her
who-
name?
What
What was
else
her
will
name?
I-
She got makeup.
She do makeup.
I don't think I know her.
In Corona, if I show you my phone, would you know her?
Bro, wait, man.
Please, man.
She's in Mogadishu, bro. She do some makeup stuff and she look good.
Well, she's
I just don't know the name. Okay,
I don't-
that
She's
girl,
cute.
she's famous.
She's
bro.
cute, sama.
Yeah, but
So
let's
you-
just say, for example, that one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the thing is, I'm not more like I don't know. So
I don't know. Like one nigga
Let's say,
like I don't know.
yeah,
I'm بتقول شيء.
I like her, man.
لكن she's
What?
دينت حويان. You can't say she's Muslim. I don't know. إلهي بكون أنت.
What do you mean?
She's famous.
Mogadishu check down.
No. She's in England.
Who's that?
Somali?
I look at Jade.
Somalia.
Jiddo.
Somalia.
Mariam Ba.
Who's Mariam, nigga?
I don't know. Maya Chama.
Yeah.
Hey, this guy's out of the box.
She's Somali, ma. You know?
Yo,
Yeah.
astaghfirullah.
No, it's okay. Yo,
Listen,
but
do you know why I'm so قاضي?
Okay.
No. waxaan soo qaaday waxa
the
weeyaan
level. Example.
the example ha waxaan soo qaaday markii la haayeen you know when with perfect example
Maya
you know,
Chama will put her picture over there. So you guys will see.
Yo,
even better her ex
imagine if she sees this podcast and be like, "Fuck these niggas."
She will.
waxaan soo qaaday khado marka la haayo
Podcast
friends
will go
you know girls and boys can be friends garanaysaa she's the best friend with Junks and Junks have no relationship
Yeah.
that guy kaas waa la sheegay xataa sheegay his best friend magiis muxuu ahaa what was that Jamaican
Nigga, I
guy
think they joke.
I guess you don't know how.
No. I think they
no
joke
well
about
listen to me
Nah, bro,
she's
no.
a material
Yo,
garanaysaa
Who's
like
material?
she's a good material can you know it's a best
Yeah, she's a material.
Who?
Maya Halley.
Maya Chama is a
Good
good
material.
material.
Good material.
She's a good
What kind of? Yo, y'all niggas out. Perverts out.
She's made of good material.
She's an alloy you know
You touch, bro.
what I'm saying is she
But
waxa
really-
weeyaan you know smash and basket marka leeyahay she is oh hada within every single Somali
Smash.
was smash more sama
Except me, bruh.
Yeah.
except Khalid
And he
Hassan
got
Ali
a reason.
Ahmed Nahawi was sima smash
Same.
I know well lakin
Say no.
lakin Junks you know she has a good relationship
With who?
with that guy you know he can have the access
I thought
But he
like
can
this
do it.
nigga stalk
Who?
that guy and find out
Junks
the real
did.
shit.
Nah, I don't think Junks can.
Hey.
he can Ahmedo Khalido horo sheegto walaal they can be friends sama
Yeah. He got a
but he's
chance.
still going
He's-
he has a big
he
chance
got-
my nigga.
He got
Not because
He got
have
more
to,
chance
it's
than us.
like, he
Simple.
have to. That's like basically, if you know a girl, and you know you can't get her,
Mm.
you'll still keep trying there. If even if you're not
That's the
trying,
friendship,
you'll
yeah.
just be friends with her. But like I
Trying.
know for a fact,
You're trying for life.
yeah, Chunks. I know for a fact Chunks will smash if she gives him a chance.
No, I don't think so.
Yo, this shit is playing, man.
No,
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. And
I'll do it.
okay.
That's a little exercise for you, bro.
It's part of the life challenges. You
It is,
know,
man.
shall I say?
So
Let me. Hata answerkii yan Arab box maqal markaas noqon. I think waan soo khatimna insha Allah.
okay.
And
We're at the end of it.
yeah, answerka aan bixiyo. If that's a famous person, haduu yahay my type of girl, you know, I know so no problem with that to me.
It's all right with you, right?
She doesn't bother me being famous. If she
bro,
loves me, you know, and I love her.
you're a different breed, bro.
Yeah,
So
He's a different breed, bro.
Yeah.
I am a different breed, bro.
Yeah, that's good. That's good, man.
Like in
So-
that comes with a lot of complications, bro. So if you can handle that, then
My guy will struggle a lot, man.
Well, yeah, but
My guy would
but I'll
die.
tell you, I will make her deals.
because you
I
know
will make her
what?
a deal,
Because you know what?
Deals. yeah.
Imagine you have to be so secure of your masculinity that you won't be bothered by anything, any guy, any friend she has, because she will have a lot of male friends. She'll tell you she have a male best friend, all this and that.
Yeah.
She might say, I'm going to
Comes with
dinner
cost,
with my
man.
friends, yeah.
Comes with cost.
So you have to be so secure to the point.
Let's look at the good
And-
side.
and-
She'll
and-
pay your bills. You'll sleep.
Bro,
I,
and if you're to that point that she's
Well,
gonna pay
if
your
I am
bills,
cleaning the chicken,
Yo.
you know, بالبقرة هذا
You'll
سود.
cook, bro.
yo,
ماشي مري.
you'll cook.
I'm
bro,
okay.
bro, if you're to the point that you'll allow her to pay your bills, يعني
خالو.
cut off your nutsack. and
Yeah.
throw
No,
that shit in the
no.
bin.
I'll
Throw that
still.
shit
Yeah,
in the
if
Khalid,
she's
listen to
paying the
me.
bills, it's okay.
I will still
That's
be a
good.
man and clean the house.
Bro, what about you?
It's just an idea.
Our producer just ran out the room, bro.
Yes, sir.
Hey, listen to me. Yeah, she
Oh, yeah.
pays my bills. You know, it's okay. You know,
Oh,
I'm joking.
I agree with that point.
Yo,
like,
I know
if
this
she's
nigga
paying the
joking.
bills.
What's wrong? What's wrong about the Khalid? Tell me what's wrong.
Last episode that you won't allow that. I think if I'm
No, I mean like, just it's
Khalid-
imagining, right? It's
Khalid,
not
if
real.
she
Nah.
bills the
It's
bills
imagination,
so
right?
good that you don't need to to get a job, to find a job.
Bro.
It's part of life.
Yo, if she's paying something, I'm not against that.
Yeah.
But paying everything,
Nah.
bro, that goes against my model, bro.
Mm-mm.
My everything, bro. My mentality, everything, bro.
You can call it. You
Yeah.
can call him a lucky.
Yeah, so at least I have
He's
to try
lucky.
something.
He just
at
got it
least,
from
even,
nowhere. Boom.
even if I have the worst paying job in the world, at least I have to pay off something, bro. Just to feel like,
A bit of you.
At least
Yeah.
you do something.
You need
Well,
to
Khalid,
share.
every brother.
or else you
We
feel
all have
just
that,
like a
brother.
burden, bro. And for a fact, she'll feel like you're a burden, bro, because you're not putting anything on the table.
Yes.
It's not the table. I guess he's putting something else. Like
Hold on,
Yeah,
bro.
I'm
Hey,
putting something else too,
this
bro.
is family friendly, bro.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Unless,
I mean, like,
unless
you know
that
what I
shit is
mean?
A1.
What Timir wala?
Timir.
Timir.
Yeah, Timur was sort of like.
Yeah. What do you think we talk about? Huh?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yo, you,
Timir وين؟
you nasty nigga. What the?
تمرت
What
waxa
do you
weeyaan
think
waa
he was talking
haddii
about?
aragto timir خلاص wuxuu saa
Yeah,
I'm sorry والله, you know.
yeah.
And nus kiloga timirtu it costs 3 kun oo shilin. Of course you can put that on the table.
Yeah,
bro.
no. You have to eat timir. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think we should wrap this up.
Yeah.
You know, it's been a minute.
I
Many
think.
last-
I think we
So.
yeah, covered it. We don't dadka ku bilno, okay?
Yeah, guys, we don't want to talk a lot.
If you want, you
Yeah.
know, but no, I told you, let us know all
Yo,
the time.
one
Let
last
us
thing.
know.
One last thing.
One last thing.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Uh,
Like, bro, yo.
subscribe to the Garas Hari Kutalo. We're not gonna tell you. You know, see your phone. see
Inshallah,
your
inshallah,
laptop.
we're gonna bring.
Alka yara aso margis.
Yeah.
Yeah, in fact, inshallah, we're gonna bring
halka cadaan ka
a lot of people. in this
Kaadaan ka dhig.
Ay,
podcast.
Notification ka.
Yeah.
notification, you know, bell yar baa markaa subscribe ka soo
Guys,
baxaya.
guys.
Bro,
Guys,
talk
people
to
are not idiots. Put your
you. No, bro.
They have to.
comment,
hey.
like, and bro, I'm going all the way in. Because waxa meesha ku jira, bro. Some people they just watch you and then they leave.
Well, it's their choice. Well, you don't have to force them.
Bruh, like
Guys,
how you can watch us.
listen
and
to me,
we-
guys, you
nah,
know the way.
man,
Bro,
we need-
make it
Guys,
make it
whenever
worth
you're
our
ready,
while, bro.
whenever
Yeah.
you're ready,
Make it worth our while because
we're working
we're
this
giving
shit, bro.
we're giving
It's late,
amazing
bro.
advice.
It's fucking 12,
Yeah,
and we're doing this for what?
12
Yeah,
p.m. at
To
night, bro.
educate you.
12
Really?
Kora tu kirado, I didn't ask.
I mean, you need it. You didn't ask, but you need it.
The minimum they can do is give us a view. That's it.
Simple,
I
yeah.
think I have it.
You need it, and you need this.
Even if you don't.
And we didn't even elaborate a lot. There's more coming on
Guys,
the
let me
way,
tell you
and
something.
we're gonna bring new people.
I think I'm having a deja vu.
Like,
Right now?
Yeah.
Hey,
Yo,
that's the
you
worst
never
one.
been
I
in
think I
here.
dream about this. I will, guys.
A dream?
Guys, my dream is like a prophecy. You know? Oh my days, bro.
Is I
Are you
Yo, don't rewind that shit.
say that?
Yo, guys,
Maybe you meant different way,
A different way. What I'm saying
not
is,
the real prophecy.
if I dream something,
Yo, deja vu is a real thing.
It's a
Ah.
real thing.
like because I think
You're
what happened-
capping, bro.
Yeah, no, I'm not capping. Listen to me. I married.
I mean about the prophecy.
The camera stopped. So
The camera just
Yeah.
died. We're gonna wrap this up
Yeah.
and
Yeah, we'll
do all the
continue.
things that we
subscribes. I
yeah.
think inshallah we can continue about topic. Why would I
Yeah.
said that? And thank you for listening to me. Wallah,
every-
it means a lot. And subscribe now. Wallah, it means a lot too.
Yeah.
And we're gonna bring a lot of people.
Every Thursday.
A lot of
an
people
episode will
here
be
talk
coming
about
out.
their opinions.
Caawana waxay ahayd inaan soo galno 8 live-ka,
But
but
like him.
Sorry, guys.
time runs, you know,
Shit
time
happens.
flies.
Yeah.
Shit
Time
happens
waits
a lot.
nobody, so we just wrap up to
Yeah.
12 and whatever. And then yeah,
We're out.
see ya soon, and
Take care.
I think this is the end.
Yeah, take
Yeah.
our
Take care
take our
and
topic.
make sure you guys took some notes,
Yeah.
because
Facts,
what we,
facts.
we talk about some bullshit, but a lot of shit was real. Bullshit can just have
Yeah.
fun, but
You listen to me.
the
We,
fact,
we need a motto. Our ideals, our
Yeah.
ideas is the ideal.
yeah,
Listen,
facts.
yeah. So our idea is an ideal. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
subscribe.
Take whatever that suits you from the
So yeah, see ya next time and have a good time.
peace.
Yo, can one of you sing a song, or should I put some music?
Do some
Hey,
music.
bro.
I will never sing.
Alright, man.
Hey,
We out. We out. Peace. Sign. We don't play around. Fuck this shit, man.